Hello, and welcome to City College Peterborough and the study programme. This is Occupational Studies. We currently offer different levels of qualification in the area of occupational studies, predominantly from our John Mansfield campus. The Occupational Studies course is ideal for if you are still unsure as to which direction you'd like to take your working life. Within this course, you will have the opportunity to take part in a multitude of different vocational taster days, some of which being childcare, catering, and creative studies. Doing the Occupational Studies course allows you a better understanding of the choices we have to offer here at City College Peterborough, and allows you the opportunity to select a course in the future that is right for you. In Occupational Studies, you will participate in a variety of activities, such as outdoor activities at the Flag Fen site, lots of hands-on time including making crafts, gardening, and taking part in social projects. If you would like to join us here at City College Peterborough, please complete the application form. The team here at City College Peterborough is ready to welcome you and look forward to seeing you soon.